video log of the build on a 68 Vette here. It's been in the family for years. We're pretty much redoing the entire car. We've already started a little bit on it, so we're not getting right at the beginning here, but you guys will be able to tell everything that happens. We've already gone through a couple years ago and redid all the wheel cylinders and put on new discs and that stuff on it. Depending on their condition now, because it's just been sitting, we may have to redo those again. That's $500 down the toilet, but we'll see what happens. Also, we've already started to gut the interior. We went ahead and refiberglassed in the battery box, which on these is behind the driver's seat. We've also pulled the driver's seat, most of the center console, and we've done sound deadening on it. So we'll go ahead and show you the car. Don't freak out, it's ugly right now, but it'll be a gem when we're done. So we'll go ahead and show you the car now, and that's it in all its glory. The hood's off it. We do have the hood, but it's in about the same condition as the rest of the car. We'll get here on the engine compartment. Carburetor's been taken off. The factory geared tack drive is gone. The one that's sitting here is not for a Vette. We're going to be swapping over to HEI ignition on it as soon as we get to the engine compartment. And actually, this one right here, that's the drive that operates the tack on these, instead of being electrical like most of them, like it will be after we put the HEI on it. You know, they actually had a little gear that went in here, and that's what operated the tachometer. And as you can see, this is the gear for it. See if I can't find a spot on it, but it is stripped out, and that's actually the heads, the intake, and the exhaust manifolds are all Vette on that. They're 327 high horse heads, but the block is a 283, so we'll get it running for now. And as soon as we can find the rest of the parts, we've got a numbers matching 396 that's going to go in there. And take a look at the inside of it now. Go ahead, 68's the only year with the push button doors like this. All the rest of them you just push down on the top and they open. This is the first year of this body style. And you can see we've got the driver's seat out. We've got all the sound deadening already in, ready for the carpet kit. See if we can't turn on the light here. Bam! There's some light for us. You can see we've done sound deadening all the way back in there, all the stinger stuff. This is not only sound deadening, but it's also a thermal barrier, so that way it'll stay real nice in the car. And on the back here, you can hear that. That used to be just obnoxiously loud, so building this one as a cruiser, it'll be real nice to have that. And of course we got the battery box. It doesn't look that great, but there was just a big hole there when we started. We got all the new fuses on and everything, so that way we can put the battery in, 200 amp fuse for the starter, and then we've got another accessory A&L amp, all gold terminals, everything, copper free wire. We've got all the dash apart, and we've got the huge, like 20-inch steering wheel that hopefully we'll swap out for something a little bit better when we're done. And turn the light back off. That's the center console. At one time it was done in like a pleather or vinyl. We're going to take and have to redo that. And the tops here, you can see where everything's all cracked and the paint's just coming off. All that will be redone. I'll probably just refinish these inserts and see what we can get her done with and make one hell of a car out of it. So that's what we got for today. We're looking at the temperature gauge and clock over there, and it's about 40 degrees in here right now, and we're about 60% RH, which means we won't be doing any more fiberglass on this today. So see you next time. And this